Díagwit agus fáilte go dtí an rang seo, an rang Gaeilge Laethanta Saoire. Cearcalóir. So, iver a hain, scríb an tedal agus an dáta. An tedal, Laethanta Saoire. Holidays. Okay, go héintach. So, fwy dhearra na capital seo, by the end of this chapter, by May and on, I will be able to Cursius Ianov mo chuid Laethanta Saoire. So to describe my holidays. Corta puisht a scríamh, to write a postcard. Gramadach, so in terms of gramadach, an adiocht, agus an do bhríthar. Okay, so the adjective and verbs. Príomh scileanna, a bheith litartha, so to be literate, and a bheith cruthaíoch, to be creative. Okay, so you'll have chances to do both those things, use those skills. Okay, and we have 3 exercises that you will be completing in this. There you go. Okay, so on seo. So cineálacha Saoire, types of holidays. Okay, so fake ar na pictiúr. Iver a hain dó 3 4 5 agus a 6. Okay, agus fake síos ar na focail an seo. Saoire sciála. So Saoire is a holiday, okay? Or else you can say Laethanta Saoire holidays. So Saoire sciála. Okay, céin pictiúr é sin. Okay, which one would that match up with? Saoire Ghréine, sun holiday. Saoire Chathairneachta, a charity one. So one where you go and you do charity work. Okay. Turas safari trip. Saoire champála, camping trip. Saoire gníomhaíochta, an activity trip or holiday. Okay, so what are you doing here? So scríamh an tedal cineálacha Saoire, and then you're going to write these words an Gaeilge agus an Béarla, and then match them up with the pictures. Okay, and here's an extra little challenge. Draw a picture. Okay, tarring pictiúr the gach count. So mar hampla iver a sé, tarring pictiúr beag the elephant. Okay, just for your own entertainment. Okay, now match all. So we want to match these up here with iver a hain go dtí a sé and then A B C D E F. So iver a hain tain tú ag sciáil síos na sléibhte. You go skiing down the mountains. Okay, which one would that be? Iver a dó. Now you're going to write the Gaeilge and the Béarla strax a chomh okay? So that's why I'll give you the translation. Iver a dó. Cowríonn tú le daoine bochta. You help poor people. Daoine bochta. Iver a 3. Caitheann tú an lá ar an trá. You spend the day on the beach. Iver a 4. Téann tú ag campáil I bubble. You go camping in a tent. A bubble is a tent. Okay, iver a 5. Fecinn tú anmhaithe alta. You see wild animals. Agus iver a 6. Déanann tú sport cosúla ziplíneáil. You do sports like ziplining. Okay, so match them up there, and we want to get the Gaeilge and the Béarla for each one of those. Okay. Now, ceistena. So tá 3 ceistan seo. Ceist a hain. Cén sort Saoire a haithníí an leat, agus cén fá? What type of holiday do you enjoy, and why? So we have sample answers for this, and you write your own version, okay, and use it, stick to this example, but obviously you'd like to change it to suit yourself. So, Tatnín Saoire Gréine lum. I enjoy sun holidays. Is even lum an trá. Okay, so I like sun holidays. Why? Because I love the beach. It's even lum an trá. Okay, So you don't, like, try and make it your own. Try not to just use that one there, but that's there as a sample. Ifir do. An neachig tú sira im líana no in Urig. Did you go on holidays this year or last year? Sample, hui megadi an Spáin in Uri. Okay, hui megadi an Spáin. I went to Spain last year, and Nuri is last year. Ifir 3. An rocky tú sira im líana no an bhliain se hugan. Will you go on holidays next year? An bhliain se hugan. Yeah, in this year im líana or next year an bhliain se hugan. Sampla, Rocky mega Kirkig le Mahailach. I will go to Cork with my family. Okay, so sin go that's fine. Sin cearcalor mahu, slán go fóill.